Always look at this EV sign to put an outlet for EV. This is junk.
I have it like that hook on the hook for my bag, could I? On the hook on my bag.
It now fits, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna give it a little coat of paint. It's not too bad, it fits. This is what it is when we replace a good one versus a bad one. Where's the other one? This is how small this is. This is what you need. Strap here. Boom. So a quick recap. New ground goes here, it says green. White goes here, it says white. I put black here, negative, positive here. Doesn't matter which side I put it. For the ground, I got those nuts. These 3 connectors. So one from the cable, okay. One goes from the box, the green here, and this is from the outlet. So there's 3 to 1. So this is where we are. I want to give another torque. I'm using a screwdriver that has different type of torque, and here it's saying the instruction says 75 torque, 75 pounds torque, so that's where I'm using it. There you go.